Hi guys, Dave Adjlan here, MarineMax in Miami on this 34 GLS cruiser yachts. I want to give you a couple pointers on features and benefits. First one, starting back here on the yacht platform. I love what they did here with this transom walk-through. Gives you a lot more space, especially for those older clients and kids to be able to traverse through the platform. Gives you space, you don't have to worry about tripping over and having maneuverability back here. Staying back here in the aft part of the boat, this max seat here has a lot of different options, a lot of functionalities you can use. You can lean this down here, make this one large sunpad, and then you have not one, but two different positions on this backrest, so you can locate yourself with the sun. If you need some extra shade, you have that extended sunshade as well back here, so it gives you a lot of different things you can do in the back part of the boat, whether it's facing forward when the boat's underway, or anchored out, hanging out here on the sandbar. This back seat does have a lot of maneuverability as well. Continuing on this 34 GLS, we do have a couple different features that you can use with the optional generator or inverter, including the grill, great for those summer days here in Florida especially. Cook out some dogs and burgers, something to keep the family entertained, full and happy so you can enjoy a long day of boating. Feature number 4 that I love about this boat is the bow area and what they've done. You have different configurations. You can put a table here so you can enjoy dinner and snacks, drinks, but you can also have a filler cushion to fill this whole area up and fill it with 3, 4, 5 different people that just want to hang out here in the front, catch some sun. You also have cooler storage here, which is also on hinges, so you don't have to worry about losing the cushion. Very nice addition on this 34 GLS. Moving into the 5th feature, now we're here in the cabin of a 34 GLS. I want to talk about all the different options you have here with this front berth. You can remove these 2 cushions and have a table set up so you can enjoy dinner in the AC. When it's time to wrap things up and go to bed, you can also pull out these 2 extra cushions, make this one berth perfect for kids to sleep. If you want to take that day cruise into an overnight, this boat does have the ability to do that.